What up? This is your boy, Snake Nation, Nation of the Gods. You feel me? Uh, I represent the country time, peace and love. You feel me? So yeah, it's crazy, bro. Have you ever wake up and feel amazing? You know what I'm saying? Feel of this energetic. I feel amazing. I feel this. Life is incredible, dog. Life is amazing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We don't look back and say our past has been this, but we look back and say, yeah, man, we're grateful because we went through what we went through. You know what I'm saying? Even though it was not easy, but that was a learning curve. You know what I'm saying? I had to be chosen. I am the chosen one. You know what I'm saying? Uh, the universe has taught me a lot than human beings can teach. You know what I'm saying? The universe has been my teacher. You know what I'm saying? Because um, when I grow up, I thought I have my own way to go, but only to find out that the universe is something special for me. You know what I'm saying? So no matter how hard I will try to go in my way, but the universe will always keep on taking me back to where I needed to be. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's a hell of a life. Um, I wouldn't be the person that I am if it wasn't the universe and like the hardship that I had to come across, because like I'm the person who experienced a lot of like setbacks, rejections, pain, hungry. I had a lot to come across. I had a lot to face. I had a lot to fight. You know what I'm saying? But that didn't determine who I am. You know what I'm saying? It didn't make anything bad, but it made the person that I am. I've become so strong, dog. I've become so fucking amazing. I'm a warrior, dog. I'm a fighter. I'm a god. I'm a king. You feel me? I feel amazing, dog. I feel amazing. Life is full of new possibilities each and every day. It's a learning curve. You feel me? So yeah, I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm consistently improving. I won't give up until I reach to a certain level where I'll keep on climbing, keep on like escaping, keep on like going through some dimensions, because right now I think I've moved from that dimension to the fifth dimension. Spiritually I'm enlightened. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy, bro. The feeling is extremely amazing. I didn't choose this life. This life chose me. You know what I'm saying? I'm awakened. I'm illuminated. My light is shining bright. You feel me? So people will think that I'm crazy, but it feels good to be crazy at the end of the day about your craft. Gotta be insane in whatever that you're doing in order for you to succeed and believe in it. You feel me? So yeah, it's a different experience because the person that I used to be, it had to change completely, and I'm still changing my form. You know what I'm saying? It feels good. Whenever I grow, I don't look back, to be the same person that I was, but I look back to collect the experience that I've and the lesson that I've went through. You know what I'm saying? So the life that I used to live, it made me the person that I am today. So you have to be consistently improving, keep on learning, because each and every time when you learn, you're developing something new in your mind, in your brain. You feel me? Even your genetics change. We have to change our DNA. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy, bro. It's actually incredible. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting the work. I'm meditating. I'm learning. I'm reading. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like I'm connected to everything. I'm interconnected to the universe. I'm God. Actually, I am everything that I need. You know what I'm saying? I'm the best tool, bro. I'm the motherfucking best thing the world has ever created. So I'm the best creation of God. You feel me? So people are not aware. There is a big wave, big massive wave that is coming. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on top of that wave. I've learned to surf. It's crazy, bro. So yeah, I actually caused the chaos because I've dropped my drop into the ocean. You feel me? So I've created the waves. So people should be ready, for what's coming because I'm motherfucking wealthy, rich as fuck, bro. You feel me? So yeah, shout out to my ex. Yeah, it caused a lot of damage in my heart. Couple of disappointments. But what she did, I was expecting that because she always look as a whole. You feel me? She had this speech in her, which I was trying to change her. You feel me? Because I believe that I am the best teacher, but I failed on her. You feel me? So I failed on her. She stepped to better niggas than me because I had no money. I have no money, because this thing. Actually, me and my ex bitch, we broke up like 3 months ago. September the 12th, 13, yeah, between. So I had to to be what it is, what I'm saying. I'm still hurted this day, but I'm happy because what she did, she showed me I shouldn't be with her. So there was a life lesson, and I think there was an energy sent by the universe to separate us, feel me. But I'm grateful for everything she does to me, even though she was preaching. I mean, that bitch we fuck, bro, several times, what I'm saying. So I'm grateful because uh, I fucked that bitch while she was fresh. Even though rich niggas will smash her now, but they only smash my change, you feel me? So she's no longer herself anymore because I used to fuck and I caused a lot of damage in her. So yeah, man, it's crazy, bro, that I've been able to smash hot fucking bitches, because she was really beautiful, big ass calves, nice body, and I'm meaning to fuck her and win her over a lot of niggas who had money. So yeah, man, I'm grateful for what happened because she taught me one lesson that I should get someone who's a virgin, who hasn't been smashed before, a clean wife, not a bitch, because she was a bitch. She told me that I should stop fucking bitches, you know. So I'm not gonna fuck bitches anymore. I'm not gonna chase bitches anymore. Um, I think I should go back to church. Uh, I'm starting to love to be in Nazareth. You feel me? I'm starting to love to be in Nazareth. I feel good about myself, you feel me? So I will go there and I'm start to go to church. I'll attend church. I'm telling you this. I'm gonna marry 3 wives from my church, Nazareth Baptist Church, and all of them they will be pure virgins. It's crazy, bro. I will live like a king, and no nigga will come and test and fuck my wife like I've did. Fuck those bitches and those bitches, those lame bitches. I left those lame bitches because niggas eating my leftovers. Can you imagine, dog? It's crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm out, but I'm not saying because what I can say to niggas: embrace yourself, niggas. Love yourself. Have this pride and be able to say, yeah, man, you know your value. You feel me? You know your value, and even if you broke as fuck, but know your value, dog. Don't take anything less. You know what I'm saying? Whatever that you chowing, smashing, make sure you're chowing the best. You know, clean pitches. Don't take the leftovers. You feel me? Just give the rich niggas the leftovers. That's the mentality I've developed, nigga, because I grew up a gas. You feel me? So I will fuck a fresh bitch, then I will left a fresh bitch to those niggas who claim they are eating fresh bitches, but while they didn't know that that bitch started to this guy, you know. It's crazy, bro. It's a hell of a life. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, shout out to you, my ex bitches. You've made the impact, you've caused the drama, but actually we had a great moments. You know what I'm saying? I won't deny that shit. I enjoy most of the time we spent, but I've learned a lot, dogs. I've learned a lot. Hopefully one day we will impact each other's life. You know, feel me? So yeah, it's crazy. It's a hell of a life, man. It's all about love. It's all about embracing shit. I'm grateful for everything that the universe has been able to give me. You feel me?